Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Footed in Fashion. I hope you all are fine and doing good and enjoying the best moment of your life. Dear viewers and my lovely subscribers, today's video is about beautiful designs of high heels, stiletto pumps, high heel pump shoes, high heel stiletto sandals, and high heel strappy style. Some design like pointed toe, some design like open toe. Overall collection is very amazing and very attractive for you. So guys, before starting this video, I suggest you to watch this video till the end because this contains a lot of collection of new designs, new styles and beautiful colors of high heels footwear for you. Viewers and my lovely subscribers, if you are a high heel lover, so this platform is very useful for you because on this platform I will upload video on high heel contacts on viewers and my lovely subscribers. If you want to be any suggestions, so please let me know in the comment section. I will consider your opinion improving my channel content. Guys, if you want to see more designs and more styles of high heels, so please let me know in the comment box. I will also upload video on high heel contents on my YouTube channel so you must visit Footed in Fashion for high heel contents. Viewers and my lovely subscribers, all the designs are for those women and girls who will like to try to wear this type of look very attractive and very fabulous by wearing this type of high heel design. Guys, and my lovely subscribers, you can see all the designs are very comfortable and very long lasting designs of high heels. So you can wear long time a day, you can wear 7 times in a day because all the designs are very comfortable and very long lasting designs of high heels footwear for you. So viewers and my lovely subscribers, if you want to buy these types of high heel designs, you must visit online website as you can. All the designs are available at your voice with good quality. The online websites are also there in the description where you can visit for online purchasing. Viewers and my lovely subscribers, if you want to update your wardrobe, so keep liking my channel and see my videos by subscribing to Footed in Fashion. So must visit Footed in Fashion for updating my fashion. Viewers and my lovely subscribers, I try my best to bring the latest and trending collection of 2025. So please give me feedback on what collection of other brands and also tell me your favorite pair of shoes